Governor Kisses, mimi nitakupea 101% because we support you. Anyone who does business in this city, we support you. Because you started ile bonoko yetu ile ya bottom up. You are a real example ya ukweli ya bottom up. Hata ile yetu ya bonoko tulidanganya watu wa mama tunawatoa mavumbi tuweke kwa meza yetu. Just sank them deeper. Gakuya is a living example of that bottom up. Because he started from pale Mudurwa akakuwa councillor, then pale, you know, when you do campaigning for like MCA or councillor pale unaingia door to door unawasaidia hata ni kukatakata mboga pale so that you know to prove that nyinyi mko pamoja. So he started and he was elected 2 terms. Then he left councillor, mahali alikuwa councillor akaenda a new place. Ajazaliwa kule, ajaishi kule, he just went kwa constituency nyingine tofauti. He did angevai Makadara ama pale Kamkunji karibu pale alikuwa kwa councillor, then ungesema okay they know his work na they was someone. He went to a totally new constituency and he was able to convince them and he was elected. He has been elected 3 times. Hata kama angekuwa anaenda governor bado angechaguliwa. Na ukienda pale I will tell you in the Embakasi North, it's not a constituency kama hizi zingine at you just walk in, you go and then you cannot get into Dandora just like that. Dandora, it's only Governor Gakuya who knows how it is with this constituency. He has the key to that constituency. He knows how he deals with it. How he does it, I don't know. Because it's not a constituency. Ati leo hata mimi nitaenda niseme leo na waisha mkutano na kaya tunaka hapana. That one is only Governor Gakuya. If he's managed Embakasi North, uko Dandora, uko mnasikianga dump side, uko ndio kwake. If he has managed for 3 terms, trust me, he's going to be the governor. And because alianzia kule chini, he will understand the county better than anyone else. Nairobi controls 50% of our GDP is in Nairobi. So we need someone who is an entrepreneur, someone who understands business, someone who, because there are no jobs. Chairman utakubaliana na mimi saizi amwandiki watu, there are no jobs. So we are telling hata watoto wetu sasa wakienda shule, you do courses yenye utakuja ujue vile utafanya biashara, vile utajisaidia. So Governor, this one it's yours to lose. So we just need as a team, kwanza friends, tuone vile tutamsaidia, work as a team, and I think God above all atatusaidia, and you are the best candidates.